What?
I'll be right back. Just let me eat my melon. Okay, I'm done.
I don't know, we still gotta film the rest of the dance scene.
Adam, I need a snack break. If I don't get some donuts right now, I'm gonna be chopping my way to a hospital.
No, Justin, you're supposed to eat that. It's for the video.
Adam, you cannot put food in front of me and expect me not to eat it. This is too hard.
What are you doing, man? Where's the crown I told you to get?
Adam, we don't have the money for a crown, so I bought chicken instead. Now you said grab fried chicken.
Justin, what is that?
Adam, this is a picture of me and the love of my life.
What? That's just a picture of you and fried chicken.
I know. Adam, I can't get my chicken out. I can't break it. Hey, give me back my chicken. Okay.
Oh! No! Justin, you ruined the shot!
Adam, our video is already trash. Who cares? Just let me eat my melon. What was that? I had to free my chicken. No. And I thought I would stick to my diet.
Justin!
You're gonna help me clean this up, right? Right? Because you're gonna help me clean?
No!